Hey everyone, it's Vibrant Vigil here, and today I'm diving into a hot topic. Can yoga really help you shed those extra pounds? Let's uncover the truth together. So, you're probably wondering if those peaceful poses and deep breaths can compete with high-intensity workouts. The short answer is yes. Yoga can help with weight loss, but it's a bit more complex than just burning calories. First, let's talk about the science. Yoga is known for reducing stress, and lower stress levels can lead to decreased cortisol, the hormone responsible for storing fat, especially around the belly. By practicing yoga, you're not just burning calories, you're also creating a more balanced and less stressful lifestyle. Now, let's address the calorie burn. Depending on the type of yoga you practice, the calorie burn can vary. A vigorous style like vinyasa or power yoga can burn anywhere from 400 to 600 calories an hour, similar to other moderate intensity workouts like brisk walking or cycling. On the other hand, gentler styles like hatha or yin yoga burn fewer calories. But don't underestimate their benefits. They can still be a valuable part of your weight loss journey. One of the biggest advantages of yoga is its ability to enhance your overall well-being. It improves flexibility, builds strength, and fosters mindfulness. When you're more aware of your body and your mind, you're more likely to make healthier choices in your diet and lifestyle. Let's not forget about the mental aspect. Yoga encourages mindfulness and self-awareness, which can be incredibly helpful in managing emotional eating. By practicing yoga, you learn to tune into your body's hunger cues and make more conscious food choices. So if you're looking to lose weight, yoga can definitely be a part of your strategy. Combine it with a balanced diet and other forms of exercise, and you've got a well-rounded approach to weight loss. To wrap it up, yoga might not be the fastest way to burn fat, but it's a powerful tool for creating a healthier, more balanced you. Remember, the journey to weight loss is a marathon, not a sprint. So, be ready and roll out that mat. Take a deep breath and start your yoga journey today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and insights. Until next time, stay healthy and stay mindful.